Welcome to the world of colors. I had an idea yesterday and I wanted to bring it to you, so I've got another video, this other video on this week, and I will have another video on Sunday. But I wanted to bring you this video. I found these plaques yesterday or the day before at Dollar Tree all out, and I was real happy to find them, and as you can see, I got a bunch of them. And I wanted to do a plaque hack for you this morning. I wanted to take this one and do a plaque hack, and we're going to have them standing up. The big part of the video is to show you how easy it is to make these guys stand up. He's going to stand up just like this. So the first thing I want to do is embellish the front of him, and then I'll show you how to stand him up. And you'll be able to stand up all your plaques and have the option of hanging them or sitting them on a table. So let's get started. And the first thing I want to do is take the pieces off the front of here so I can put some fur behind them, like I have in this one. And we want to take our blow dryer and just warm them up real good. And then I just take a pair of scissors and pry it up. It comes up pretty easily after you do this for a few minutes. And I'll take this piece off and this piece off, and then I'll be right back with you. I've got the mustache piece off, and I've got the star and hands off. It rips the paper a little bit when you do that, and it doesn't matter because the beard's going to be on top of here. It's all going to be glued down. So what we want to do is take a 6-inch long by 7-inch wide beard, white beard, 6-inch long and 7 inches wide. And you just want to lay that across the bottom of the hat like that. And then we'll glue it on. Just want to get it right at the bottom there. And then you can lift it up and put some glue on where the paper came up. And we're going to glue it right down like that. You kind of want the bottom hair coming in like this so you can see the shoes down there. So you can spray it with some, we'll spray it with some hairspray after I get this other piece glued on, and keep that shape at the bottom so you can see the shoes. So we can glue on the mustache piece right here at the top. Put that on just like that. And then the star piece we can glue back on. We'll just make sure the point's going straight up at the nose like that. And we can glue that I'm leaving the spaces here, the long spaces on the sides of the hands, without glue on purpose. So we can put a flag in tuck a flag in there. So we're going to put it back on like this. And I'll be right back with you. Okay, so what we want to do now is take some white acrylic paint and paint in this little nose here. You want this, especially the top of it. We just want it to be nice and neat white. Almost done here. And I'll let that dry while I'm gluing on these scatter foam stars that you can buy in a box like this. I'm not sure what store these came from. One of the craft stores I got these at. And I believe if I went to Dollar Tree, I'd find them there also. But I'm just going to use these ones that I have. And then just glue those in place. I tried to flatten the back out a little bit with my cutter and take a little bit out of the back so they're not so round, so they would glue flatter on there like that. And I'm waiting for this to dry here so I can go on with the nose. So I'll be right back with you. So I've got this dry here. I had to use my blow dryer to get that dry. And I want to go ahead and glue on. This is about a 1 1/4 inch wood knob that I got out of my collection. Use something close to that. And we're going to glue that in place. Right in the middle of where the nose was. And while that's setting up, I'm going to show you how I did the stars coming down from the hand. I just took a piece of, this is actually 4-ply jute, and I glued the stars in place on it. And I just worked my way up the jute. You want to keep the stars kind of close because we don't want it real long. Just taking my fingers with it. I'll let those set up and then I'll add the blue one and I'll be ready to attach this to the hand here. So I'll be right back with you. So I've got the stars put on the jute and I've just got them laying here in place. You can see how they are laying there on the hand. And then we'll glue the top of the jute right here, kind of underneath the top of the star up here. And then we don't want the stars to keep rolling out like that, and you have to keep fixing them. So you want to tack the stars down so they'll stay in place. Now hold those and let those set up. So now that we have the stars glued on, we want to go ahead and put some firm holding hairspray on this beard and kind of pull it toward the center. And we're going to need to paint the nose with our Coral Cove Testors Craft Paint, acrylic craft paint. Just get the nose painted. It just plays off the colors really well, the Coral Cove. I'm going to paint a coat of this on here, dry it with my blow dryer, and then a coat of Mod Podge. Do I say that wrong? I'm going to put a coat of that on to make it shiny, and I'll be right back with you. So I've got the nose finished. It's all shiny now. And what you need to do is flip it over so that we can make it stand up. Flip it over like that. Take out a whiteboard from Dollar Tree, or you can use a chalkboard. I always stock up when I see these boards come in because I use them so often. But this is the first time I've used it for this purpose. So what you want to do is bring it down right to the bottom of the board here, to the bottom of the plaque, like that, and go ahead and glue it on. You could use E6000 and let it dry for a few hours. As well, I use the hot glue. This is a really light plaque, and it glues instantly. And then you just want to stand it up like that. You can do that with all your plaques. You can use them on the table that way or wherever you want to. It makes it a lot more options of where you want to put it. You can either hang it still or stand it up. Now the last thing I wanted to show you was on this one was I put a flag in this one. He's holding the flag. And I wanted to show you, I tried to leave a spot in the glue behind the star to slip a flag in there, right in through here. See if I got it. There it goes. And you put your flag in like that, or not only could you use that, but you could use a balloon like this, would be real cute in it as well. So that's my project for today. And if you like this video, make sure to like. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. See you this weekend.